Have you ever wondered what would happen if humans were replaced by AI? Let's find out together. AI doesn't have to be confusing. It simply means artificial intelligence, when computers learn to think a little bit like us. Just like a child learns from books and examples, AI learns from data. For example, if you show an AI thousands of pictures of cats, it starts to recognize what a cat looks like. And you already use AI every day. When YouTube suggests your next video, your phone unlocks with your face, or maps find the fastest route home. AI isn't here to replace us, taking care of repetitive tasks, so we can focus on what makes us human: creativity, imagination, and ideas. So, will AI ever replace humans? To find out, subscribe and join us on this journey to explore the future of intelligence.